All right, hey guys, how you doing? Here today, I'm going to be putting my second quick disconnect kit on my pressure washer. This disconnect kit I picked up from Lowe's was $30. I think this is probably the best kit to get if you plan on upgrading to a longer hose. Uh, the kit that I got from Amazon, I was unaware that it wouldn't work with this hose at first, so I'm pretty sure they have one that does work. But the issue I ran into with this disconnect kit is that this one has a male and a female end, whereas this hose is set up for two female ends. And basically this kit keeps it at two female ends, whereas this kit, it gives you one male end and one female end. So this is overall better kit straight out the box if you plan on upgrading to this larger hose here. Also, I bought some gaskets, some O-rings or whatever to eliminate leaks, which I did end up having to use one on this because I torqued down on this one too much and it broke through. But yeah, what can you expect? So let me go ahead and tear into this kit. Alright guys, I went ahead and put all the other quick disconnects on. I did want to make mention to this piece. I don't know if you can see that, but it actually has a little floater valve in there to, when this has pressure on it, it actually stops the water until you put the other disconnect on, which I think that's pretty neat. The other kit, the cheaper kit, doesn't have that. So just so you know, if you have the cheaper kit, which I will have in the link below, it will not have this floater valve in it. So once you turn the water on, it'll be shooting water pretty much instantly. This one actually gives you time to put the quick disconnect on before it relieves pressure. All right. And why did I drop it? Yeah, just slide that on. Very quick, very easy. No issues here. Take this male in, just like that. Very easy, no problems. Okay. Quick disconnects, no problem. Now let me add some pressure to it and be right back. Well guys, that's it. Pressure check, good. Pretty much first installation, no leaks whatsoever. So I highly suggest you get the $30 kit from either Lowe's or from the Amazon link that I have down below. That's it. Guys, please join me on my next video where I'll be testing out the new longer hose and this shorter stubby nose gun. Thanks, guys.